Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunj World, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today I am going to show you easy experiment to do at home. For that we only required a piece of cardboard from an old notebook. We have to take the scissors and cut it like this. I have cut two, and then I have take two plates because I have to do it 2 times, and I have cut it like this. See carefully, and you have to cut it over here also for the ink to came down. I will cut it and show you how to do it. Now you have to cut it like this shape. And then you have to cut it where you have done this cut. Now you have get something like this, and then you have to cut it over here and cut it slant. So you can see I have made 3. Now you have to slowly put it in the one side of the surface and with the white side. Slowly. And then you need to open the ink. Before doing the experiment, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description box. And you can see when I will drop the inks, it will go super fast. And ready in 3, 2, 1. Yo, look it carefully. I will try again if it will do or not. I think I am going to try it again. No, it's not working. Now we will perform in small bit. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Have you seen? And friends, please try at home. And these materials you can get anywhere. And that's for it today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.